If your PC struggles to run Android apps smoothly, and you need a fast Android emulator that works well even on low-end systems, then this video is for you. Because today, I'm going to show you how to download and install one of the best Android emulators right now, LDPlayer. LDPlayer is lightweight, fast, and optimized for gaming and everyday Android apps. It also performs very well on low-end and mid-range PCs compared to many heavy emulators. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll also show you important tips to make LDPlayer run smoother on your system. Hello everyone, welcome back to All PC Geek. Let's get started. Before downloading LDPlayer, make sure your PC is connected to a stable internet connection. This is important, because the installer downloads additional emulator files during setup. If your internet connection is unstable, the installation may fail, or files may become corrupted. So once your internet is ready, open Google Chrome or any browser you prefer. Now in the search bar, type LDPlayer download and press enter. Once the search results appear, click on the first link, which should be the official LDPlayer website. Now we are on the LDPlayer homepage. As you can see, the website highlights different emulator features, gaming performance, Android compatibility, and optimization tools. LDPlayer is designed to help users run Android apps and games directly on Windows PCs. It supports keyboard mapping, multi-instance mode, high FPS gaming, and performance customization. One reason many people like LDPlayer is because it uses fewer system resources compared to some other emulators. Now click on the Windows Download button to start downloading LDPlayer, so wait for the download to finish completely. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. Here is the LDPlayer setup file. Double-click on it to begin the installation. Now the installation window will appear. Click on Install. At this point, LDPlayer will begin downloading and installing important emulator components. This process may take some time, depending on your internet speed, system performance, and storage speed. The reason it takes time is because the emulator is setting up Android system files, graphics components, engine packages, and optimization files needed for smooth performance. So just be patient and let the installation complete fully. Once the installation is finished, LDPlayer will launch automatically. And this is the LDPlayer home screen. As you can see, the interface looks very similar to an Android tablet. From here, you can install Android apps, play mobile games, open the Play Store, browse files, and customize emulator settings. You can also adjust important performance settings, such as CPU cores, RAM allocation, resolution, and FPS settings. If your PC is low-end, make sure you don't allocate too much RAM to the emulator. Using balanced settings usually gives better performance. LDPlayer also supports keyboard mapping, which is very useful for games like PUBG Mobile, Free Fire, and Call of Duty Mobile. Another useful feature is multi-instance support. This allows you to run multiple apps or games at the same time. Now, before using the emulator heavily, I recommend going into the settings and enabling performance optimization based on your PC specifications. This can help reduce lag, improve FPS, and make the emulator feel smoother overall. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed LDPlayer on your Windows PC. Now you can enjoy Android apps and games directly from your computer without needing an Android phone. If you want, I can also make a full tutorial showing the best LDPlayer settings for low-end PCs to improve performance, reduce lag, and boost gaming FPS. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.